Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Joe with OpenlyNerdy.com, and I came across an app a while ago called WhatsApp, and I finally started purchasing some stuff off there. I wanted to give it a test run just to see, and yeah, I ended up getting a few things. The reason I like WhatsApp a lot is because I'm a pretty specific Funko Pop collector. Pretty much just Batman and some other things, but mainly Batman. So that's what I really like about that. You can go on there and find which ones that you want. If they have them, then they're actually graded, and then you can send them to WhatsApp, and they'll hand grade them just to make sure like they're labeled as mint and that they come as a mint in box Funko Pop. I'm not sure which one's which, but I know they're all Batman, so. Oh, first one I got is a little fall convention exclusive 8-bit Batman. Show you the back. Show you guys up there. It's weird because I didn't have this one. It's just a common pop. So yeah, that was the first one. I got right there. I'm gonna set these over here because I think I know which ones these two are per the delivery, and they're a little bit special. Oh, okay. So this one was the very first pop I got, or I ordered, and I'll show you why. I had gotten these as gifts, and then I found out that there's a metallic one of these, so I had to get one of those too. So yeah, that was the very first pop I ordered off the WhatsApp. And you can tell by the brim of his hat, you can kind of see it, and his coat. It's the metallic Joker. Show you guys up there. Hopefully this one isn't in your way. But yeah, this was the very first one that I ordered. A little bit of denting there. I think this was supposed to be a near mint box or near mint pop, but I don't know if you can see that up there. Yeah, that was the very first one, but the second one today that I got. Let's see what this one is. Oh, alright. This one I knew I needed, but I didn't order it initially. So this is actually the one that we waited on the longest, so I can do this video. It's like, well, I'm just going to go ahead and do it, and we can have several pops for the video. This is the North Pole Camel Batman. Show you guys up there. show them the sides. Yeah. North Pole Camo Batman. The third one. Let's see here. This one got delivered, and yeah, I guess the seller of this pop, BeardofPop. Yeah, since I got the box, I've been following them on, I guess it's him and his wife, but I follow them on Instagram now, and they, man, they have a lot of pops. So go check them out. Oh man, it actually came in a soft protector. And he has hollow stickers for BeardofPop. That's pretty awesome. That's next level stuff. Openly nerdy. One day you'll get that if we ever buy and sell pops. So yeah, I got another 8-bit Batman, but this one's the Entertainment Earth exclusive. I'll show you guys up there. And just so you can see, this was the first one. Yeah, pretty excited about those. I was surprised I didn't have them yet. I just, for some reason, didn't. So, yeah. Now these last two, they had just came out. And I don't live anywhere near Target. So about the best solution was to see if friends could pick it up for me, or getting this off of the app. So what's funny is a friend did say he could pick me up some, so I've got 2 of these now, but still figured I'd show you these. Alright, first one here, I think this one is the green artist series of the Batman Pops. Even though it's blue and yellow, it's green. And then I think this one is the yellow, which I can see that because it's got yellow in it, but it's also black and yellow. So yeah, these were the other 2 I got. Again, they come in the hard stack, and I was super jealous because actually, if you're not following her right now, Poppin' Girl, she's got these 2, and she was able to get another one as well. I want to say she was able to get the blue one, I think it was, and those don't come out technically until the 1st of November, but she's already got a blue one as well. So go check out Poppin' Girl. I actually put her link in the description as well, along with who do we have? BeardofPop. I'll put his in there as well. But yeah, these were my first purchases on WhatsApp, and yeah, it's been, I don't know, I mean, I'm nervous because I can spend a lot of money on there. So, but yeah, hope you've enjoyed. Again, I appreciate everybody's support. I appreciate everybody on Patreon support as well, who's been checking out the site, joining us on Facebook, joining us on Instagram. So yeah, we appreciate all the support you guys are giving us, and liking and subscribing with the channel here, liking our other social media, like I mentioned, with Facebook and Instagram. Definitely appreciate it. You guys are all awesome. Hope you have a great rest of your day. This is the weekend for me right now, so whenever you see this, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.